Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Hanna.
How old are you, Hanna?
I'm 9 years old.
And how are you today?
I'm good.
Are you ready for your test?
Yes.
Okay, all the best, Hanna. Good job. Okay, I'll show you some pictures and ask you some questions, okay?
Yes.
Okay, what transports do you find on the ground?
I find lorry, train, bus, and motorbike on the road.
Okay, and what transports do you find in the sky?
I find helicopter and plane in the sky.
Alright. What are the safety rules when you see a red traffic light?
Stop, don't run, don't cross.
Perfect. What are the safety rules when you see a green traffic light?
Cross, look left and right. Listen, don't run.
Perfect. Good job. Hanna, how to be safe on the road?
Don't play on the road.
Walk on the
road.
pavement.
Pavement.
How to be safe on your bike?
Wear a helmet.
Where?
Wear helmet. Look left and right. Don't cycle
on the busy road.
On the busy road. Don't listen to music.
Alright. How to be safe in the car?
Wear a
seatbelt.
Don't play.
Use the door. Next to the pavement. Alright. Now look at this. What season is it?
Spring.
Okay. What's the weather like?
It's rainy and warm.
What can you see in spring?
I can see baby animals.
What season is it?
It's summer.
And what's the weather like?
It's sunny.
Okay. And what do you like doing in summer?
I like cook and swim. Cooking and swimming.
What season is it?
It's autumn.
What's the weather like?
It's cool.
And what do you wear in autumn?
I wear t-shirt and short.
Okay. What season is it?
It's winter.
What's the weather like? What's the weather like?
It's cool.
Cold. And snowy. What do you like doing in winter?
I like sleeping and painting.
Okay. Do you like swimming in winter?
No, I don't.
Do you like swimming in summer?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Okay, Hanna. Would you like some beans?
No thanks.
Would you like a pepper?
No thanks.
Would you like a coconut?
Yes, please.
Would you like some grapes?
Yes, please.
Would you like a watermelon?
Yes, please.
Very good. Let's talk about rooms. Where were they last night?
They were in the living room. They were happy.
Very good. Where were they yesterday?
They were
in
the kitchen. They were hungry.
Where was he yesterday?
He was in the bedroom. He was tired.
He was tired.
Okay.
Where was Nick yesterday?
Nick wasn't at home. Nick
Was with?
with grandma.
Okay. Now look at this picture. Describe this room using there was, there wasn't.
There was a bed, a lamp, a chair.
Okay.
There wasn't a sofa, a computer,
Okay.
and a TV.
Perfect. Good job. Now, what has your city got?
My city has got a theme park and zoo.
What hasn't your city got?
My city hasn't got an aquarium and skate park.
Perfect. Tell me about Nick's last weekend, Hanna.
Next, in the afternoon,
In the morning.
in the morning, he visited the zoo. Then he visited a bowling alley. Next, he visited art gallery.
In the afternoon.
In the afternoon, Next visited a theme park. Then Next
Stayed.
stayed a campsite.
In the evening.
In the evening, Next then
He listened
he listened to music
at concert.
and concert.
Okay. Now tell me the phonics, Hanna.
Glove, gloves, glove, glue, slug, sleep. Oh, hose,
Home.
home, nose, ooh, flute, tube. Eye, white, mice, rice, ear, weekend, tree, bee, air, make, leg, plane.
Very good. Good job. Hello everyone. I'm teacher Jay from Amaster Center, and she is Hanna, my student. She's a very good student and she remembers most of the vocabularies and sentence structures very well, but she has to keep practicing more for now. Overall, she is a good student to teach. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye, Hanna.
Goodbye, teacher.